Wagwan viewers, welcome to our channel,
Life with the Mathesons. I'm Jen.
And I'm Julius.
This is our very first video, so we're going to keep this one short and sweet, but there are going to be plenty more to come, so make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on that post notification so you can be notified when the next video drops.
Alright, so this is something that we've been talking about for like months and months to come, and then we just decided, like, listen, we're just gonna go for it right now, like we're gonna be having a lot of fun. There's a lot of content to cover, like so much, I don't even know where to start right now. So you want to tune in to see all the fun with our crazy family, because we have a blended family, a big blended family.
Julius is Jamaican.
Yeah, yard man thing, from the Caribbean.
I'm Canadian. We actually met in Jamaica in 2017, but he is
That's
now
hey.
he is now residing in Canada.
Throwing away the cheese.
He's actually coming up on the 1 year mark, November 16th. So it's knocking on the door. But we're going to discuss all of that in an entirely separate video, because there's a lot of information to cover, and we're going to, discuss how and when we met, the challenges that we faced during a long distance relationship, and where we are today. We have 7 kids between us.
A lot, eh?
And we will also introduce you to all of our babies in another video as well. We're going to be covering quite a bit of content. We're going to be doing challenges. We're going to be doing story time. We're going to be doing Q&A, so you guys will have the opportunity to ask us anything you want to know. And we're going to answer all of your questions. We're going to be doing pranks. Lots of pranks. Just not on me. We're going to be doing a lot of vlogging, and our goal is to just make this channel like super exciting and super fun.
Yeah, we'll be having a lot of like inspirational conversation content, which is a little bit adult related. So parental supervision
would be strongly recommended for those videos. We'll make sure to put a disclaimer at the beginning of those videos, so you guys know, which ones are for adult viewers only. That way, if you're sitting there watching with your kids, you can send them into another room.
It's not that serious, guys.
Also, if your kids are subscribed to our channel, please make sure that their settings are set so that they can view only child-friendly content, and they don't have access to view, 18
Which
and over.
I strongly recommend.
What else? Yeah, we're super excited for this journey, and we're so glad that you guys are on this journey with us. We're looking forward to sharing our life with you guys. If there's anything that you guys want to know, please make sure to comment in the section below. If you guys have any questions, if you guys have any suggestions for any pranks, well, don't put them in the comments below.
Put them so I can see them, so I know how to be prepared for all these pranks.
Oh, we're actually going to link our Instagram accounts. So if there's any pranks you want me to pull on Julius.
Not funny. Hey, you see, she's having all the fun now. Watch what's gonna happen later.
If there's any pranks you want me to prank on Julius, just make sure to DM me on my Instagram account.
Yeah, but on serious note, guys, thank you so much for visiting our channel, Life with the Mathesons. Do remember to subscribe, hit that thumbs up.
And stay tuned for the next video drop.
Thank you.
Let's start over.
What? She's enjoying it. She's having all the fun. We're waiting on Christmas.
Hey!
Wagwan viewers, welcome to our channel,
Life with the Mathesons.
Mathesons.
I'm Jen.
And I'm Julius. It's becoming a routine. I got